The first time I noticed that there was something wrong, it was October, mid-October, and I was shaving, and I noticed a few just minor lumps under the skin. There was some concerning markers in the blood. The doctor on site scheduled a CT scan for the next day. Got in, and within 2 weeks, I was in surgery. So the diagnosis was pretty quick.
He had a slow-growing type of lymphoma that we call marginal zone lymphoma, which had transformed to a more aggressive type of lymphoma called large cell lymphoma. And then he also was found to have a testicular mass, which was a primary germ cell tumor.
Cancer was not new to my family. My wife had been diagnosed with thyroid cancer about 5 years prior to that. My kids and I were familiar with the process. To hear the words cancer and then multiple types of cancer, and you hear things like stage 4 cancers, and it's terrifying. It's very difficult to maintain a positive outlook when you're just drained all the time.
He received chemotherapy every 3 weeks for 6 cycles, and actually had a complete remission from his chemotherapy very early on in his disease course.
You know that the journey's not over. The cancers can come back, and in my case with marginal zone lymphoma, will come back at some point. No cure at this point, but you have more time. You can get back to a normal lifestyle. I got into Pedal the Cause to support my wife and my father that had gone through cancer diagnosis, cancer treatment, and had both been cancer survivors. Thought it was a wonderful, wonderful opportunity, and was able to get my organization, Centene Corporation, to participate in that, become a sponsor, and start a team. So this is my 4th year being team captain for Team Centene.
I actually didn't even know that Keith had already been riding on Pedal until obviously he became my patient, but he had been doing this even before he was diagnosed with cancer. And I've been riding with Pedal since its first year of 2010.
It allows people who have been victims or cancer survivors or people that are currently fighting, it allows them a way to fight back.
Dr. Todd Feniger was funded from Pedal along with other Siteman researchers for developing a patient-specific vaccine. The protocol is almost complete and approved, and that will be for patients who have slow-growing or indolent lymphomas, the type of disease that Keith has. So if his lymphoma were to come back, it's very possible that the Pedal funds would have helped develop one of the treatments that we would have available for him.
Pedal the Cause, I think, is unique in really driving forward an investment in the research itself. It's taking the fight back to cancer. It is a vehicle out there which allows you to make positive change.